AI castle restoration videos are going absolutely viral right now. Channels are gaining hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of views just by uploading this type of content. And the best part, these stunning cinematic videos keep getting views again and again. Today, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process to create these viral castle restoration videos using completely free AI tools. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 AI castle restoration ideas." ChatGPT will instantly generate multiple unique restoration concepts. Some will be ancient castles, some medieval palaces, and some abandoned mansions. Each one has incredible viral potential. Browse through the list and pick the concept that excites you most. Once you've selected your idea, type it back into ChatGPT and say, "Give me detailed cinematic image prompts and video prompts for every single scene of this restoration." ChatGPT will now generate complete image prompts and video prompts for every scene of your video. Everything is ready in seconds. Now, copy your first image prompt and head over to Google ImageFX. Create a new project and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical short-form content or 16:9 for YouTube landscape format. Choose 2 images for output so you have options to pick from. Click Generate, and within seconds, your first cinematic castle restoration scene will be ready. Now copy your second image prompt, paste it into Google ImageFX, keep the same settings, and generate again. Repeat this process for all remaining scene prompts until every single scene image is generated and ready. Now comes the most exciting part: turning your images into cinematic videos. Go to the Image to Video section in Google ImageFX. Upload your first scene image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for that specific scene. Return to Google ImageFX and paste the video prompt into the video prompt box. Set your preferred resolution and video duration. Click Generate Video, and within minutes, your first cinematic castle restoration scene will come to life with smooth, professional animation. Repeat this exact process for every single image. Generate a separate video clip for each scene until all your scenes are complete. Once all your video scenes are generated, download them one by one. Open any free video editor like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Arrange all your clips in the correct sequence. Add dramatic background music to match the cinematic restoration theme. Add smooth transitions between scenes. Keep your final video between 30 to 60 seconds for maximum engagement on shorts and reels. Hit export, and your viral castle restoration video is completely ready to upload. And that's it, a stunning cinematic castle restoration video created entirely with free AI tools in under 10 minutes. These videos are pulling millions of views right now, and the niche is still wide open. Subscribe to Bulk AI for more viral content strategies. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.